What's up, Crows? Scarecrow here with Abstract Gaming, bringing you a tutorial video today, guys. This one's going to be kind of just over OBS and how I did the chat, the top donator and all that stuff on it. So you will need OBS if you're not using that. It is free, completely free, and it's what I use to live stream. But also, after you get OBS, you want to go to a site called streamlabs.com. This is the most handy website I've seen when it comes to OBS. It's how you get your donations and everything. But you want to download Streamlabs OBS. Okay, so once it's downloaded, just go through all the steps to install it. And then all you have to do is go back to OBS and click on New Source. And depending on what you want to add, it's different techniques. But for your top donator, you want to go to text, make a new one. I'll call it donation with a D because I already have one, probably called donation, and then read from file. What you want to do is you want to click on browse and go to where you installed all your Streamlabs stuff. Mine's in documents. Go to the Streamlabs folder, and you see here, you see 30-day cheer, all this stuff. I go up here to the search stream labels to donation. And you have here all-time top donation. You have donation goals. Just go to, we'll go with all-time top donation. Open up. And see, it shows right there the most recent top donations. It actually shows multiple. You can see two here. It's probably kind of hard to see with all the stuff in the background here, but you can resize it. When you go to resize it, you see it's kind of down about center. If you hold shift, you can actually change that to where it scales from where the dot is. But also, you can hold control and all these other buttons to see it kind of snaps to a grid. Control kind of stops that. Alright guys, so that's how you do the top donation. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is the chat. So what you want to do is you want to go to your YouTube live streaming. There's other steps you have to take if you're doing Twitch. This is YouTube. And then go to these three dots here. Pop out chat. And grab your link right here. And you want to take it to a site called chatv2.septipus.com. Now I'll put all these links in the description. So that way, it'll be easier to find the stream labels and the chat v2. What you want to do is, once again, add a new source. Go to browser. We'll call this chat with a C. Okay. Paste your URL right here. Currently, obsproject.com is your default. Paste it. And down here where it says custom CSS, that's the important part. You go back to your chat v2. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Now, you can customize it here. If you want to change your fonts, your avatars, your channel names, your messages, timestamps, backgrounds, your super chat, fan funding, and sponsors, animations, you can change all that to however you want to. I'm going to keep it with the default just for the sake of the video. But highlight every part of this, the whole CSS. You can see it right here, CSS. Copy it, take it back to OBS, and erase this custom CSS here. And paste it right there. And you see it pasted every bit of it. Hit OK. And now, whenever someone chats, hi guys, Scarecrow here with Abstract Gaming. Okay, how about on OBS? And there it is. Hi guys, Turco here with Abstract Gaming. So that's how you do the chat. And then whenever anybody chats, it'll pop up there. Okay, now that we have the top donation and the chat, so the last thing we want to do is add a live subscriber count. So once again, hit new source, hit browser, and let's type it in sub count. Okay, so now we want to go to a website called livecounts.net. Click right here where it shows the channel name and type in your channel. Abstract Gaming, it's 2 is mine. And let it tally down from 60 million to 194. Then you want to copy your URL back to OBS and paste it right on the URL line. Paste it and hit enter. You can see it's tallying up here, and you see there's a lot of stuff here that you don't want. Okay, what you want to do is right click and go to filters, and over here on the left it says effect filters. Right click, add crop pad. You don't have to name anything, but you can, and then just start raising all the categories up. I think left 300, top 200, right 300, and bottom 200. Well, no, 300 again. No, bottom 275. There we go. That looks good. So what you want to do is hit OK down bottom, or just hit close, and you see now you just have, you know, just the number. You can size it to whatever you want to. Let's see. Hold shift. There we go. Also, you can add other effects to it, but also, you know, just if you want to describe what it is, go to text and hit subscribers. Right there. There's a lot of other effects you can use to kind of make it look nicer. Let's see, you may even go to filters, add chroma key, and then custom select pitch green color. Boop. Okay. And then just change your strength right here. Similarity, take it down. It's about right there. Smoothness. Oh yeah, make it bolder. There you go. Close. Much nicer. Subscribers. A little bit of subscribers. A huge 194. Alright guys. So you can definitely make it look much nicer. This is just for the sake of the tutorial. It's making everything large. But guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you're one of the first ones to know exactly when we upload. And like always, guys, like always, God bless. And don't forget to wipe.